Today, we're going to show you how to change your Ford F150 Key Fob battery. In order to do this, you're going to take your Ford Key Fob. You need to open up the key, so just press right there. And then what you're going to find is you need to tilt it like so. There's a little pry spot right here in the middle and one right here as well. You're going to take a screwdriver and you're going to insert to push that out. Now, this requires a CR2032 battery. We've got a link to that in the description below, so you can check that out. So there is that middle spot. We're going to insert our screwdriver as far as we can go, and then we're going to push and pry, and that's going to get that off. And then we're going to just pry the rest of this off. And you can see exactly where that spot is to insert the screwdriver. It's right in the middle there for the Ford F150 Key Fob battery. And then now we're going to take the battery out. We just take our screwdriver and we're going to pry right here. That pops that out, and this does take that new CR2032, which we've got in the link in the description below. We're going to insert that in. We want to put it in so it goes in this end first. And then we're going to take our cover for the F150 Key Fob, and we're going to just press it back in place, go all the way around, make sure that we've got it pressed in place. If there's any kind of dirt or anything like that, sometimes that can prevent it from closing fully. But now we have replaced the battery in our Ford F150 Key Fob. So thanks for watching this video on how to replace your Ford F150 Key Fob. Please give us that thumbs up or subscribe or click any links below to support us. You do any of those things, it helps us get out our message to more people, especially subscribing, to help you just like we helped you. We can help somebody else, and hopefully then they can save themselves a little bit of money doing it DIY rather than having to go somewhere to get this fixed. So appreciate you subscribing or giving us that thumbs up and watching this video on how to change your Ford F150 Key Fob battery. We'll see you next time.